Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have just started playing Duet Night Abyss, this is your ultimate beginner's guide. Simple tips, key systems and early strategies to help you level up faster and avoid beginner's mistake. So first of all, you need to understand the dual character system. You control two characters that switch in the real time. One is melee and the one is ranged. You can use the melee for close combat and heavy burst, and you can switch to the ranged for movement and boss mechanics. Learning when to swap is what makes or breaks the early fights. The second thing is the gears and the resources. So do not waste your rare materials early. You just have to focus on upgrading your main weapon pair and one support skill line. You can split the upgrades that make you weaker. So invest deep instead of wide. Always do the daily tasks and the events as well, because they are going to give you the free upgrade material and the crystals. So these are the things that you will need later for the banner pulls. Speaking of banners, you need to avoid pulling on random ones early. Wait for the rate up banners that feature your preferred weapon type, and don't skip the exploration. Each map has the hidden chests, DNA fragments and story clues. So these not only level you up faster but also unlock the permanent stat boosts for both the characters. So that's your quick beginner's guide for the Duet Night Abyss. You need to master the character swap, focus on the upgrades and save your pulse and explore everything that you can. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.